This is the buzzer test?
Yeah. Not working. Let's make sure that it's on over here. Oh, it's working. Okay, it's out too.
That means nobody can get off the bus.
Driver's light doesn't have one. Defroster is not working.
Defroster, yeah.
It's down in here, and normally the defrosters, I can hit them with a hammer, but this one's going to argue, so we're going to have to take it apart. But it's bad order too. And the heater see what we got here.
Oh, I hear something.
It seems to be working.
Yeah. Wow, it vibrates the whole bus.
Well, it seems to be working. That's good. This bus has no air conditioning. Handbrake telltale doesn't have that. That doesn't have reading lights. Okay, the driver's area. Driver's seat belt. Okay.
Got it.
Brake and throttle. Okay. Brake, throttle both work okay, but it needs to be lubed. Also, the driver's seat needs to be lubed. Sun visor. Now this bus, apparently somebody's removed the sun visor, so we've got to add that in.
We got a pile of sun visors. A lot of sun visors.
Driver's vents down here.
Oh, that's what that is? I was wondering about.
It's broken. Let's write that up.
What's that cable for that was right there?
Huh?
The cable with the little knob sticking out of it? Where's that?
Oh, over here?
Yeah.
That's for the defroster. Okay, driver's vent. Yo. Driver's barrier, which is here. It's okay. This bus does not kneel.
Not only okay, it's badass. Look at that.
Doesn't have backup lights.
Where's it?
Head sign running.
Sorry.
All
Sorry.
latches are okay.
Makes lots of
Driver's
noise.
window's okay. And no horn.
Damn.
And let's see how we're going to do on windshield wipers. They're not good.
That's okay. It don't rain in Southern California. We're fine.
Well, it's because whenever they sit, they have this problem. So we're going to write this BO and we're going to circle blades.
It needs blades for sure.
Inside mirrors. Okay, this one's here. We got the one back there. All the mirrors are okay. Flooring seems to be okay. We have some step grade. So we're going to write this BO front.
Oh yeah, the step tread.
Yeah. Seats and frames all seem to be good. Windows, we have some windows here. I want to gonna write them BO. I'm
Yeah.
gonna write that some side loose.
Only one crack though, not bad for 10 years of sitting.
Well, this always happens when they sit. Stanchions are all okay. This has no sun visor. Light and lenses, they all appear to be okay on the.
Oh.
Okay, now doors. We have a problem with the front door.